Well, we wanted something that was real and real for the employees. We didn't want to push wellness, we wanted to promote it. And I think Stepathlon embodies that spirit of promoting what you call active lifestyle.
We have taken few initiatives like we have done a couple of seminars for health and nutrition, the right kind of food that you should eat, how you should keep a track of your diet. But in terms of, we participate in marathons every year. This year also in the month of Jan, the company is participating in marathon. But that again is voluntary, so we have around 40-50 employees participating in a marathon on a yearly basis. But this involves everyone. So if I am in Bombay and I am covering 700 employees altogether at a minimal cost. At a marathon, if I sponsor 700 people, the cost would be high. And then the machine remains with me forever, even after those 100 days are over. And this gets into a habit. So this is more valuable.
We thought that Stepathlon is one of the best initiatives to engage in, considering sustainability, considering what touches employees, considering long-term benefits and a whole bunch of other things.
Leaders have to be aware about health and fitness of their employees, and I think that's going to be a growing trend, needs to be that, because we lose a lot of man days because of unhealthy behavior. Because it works for companies, it works for individuals, and it's a well-organized program.
It came as a blessing in disguise for us because health and wellness was one of our strategic imperatives for this year. And we were looking for an initiative which is fun, quick and collaborative for our leadership team. We also had a purpose that something like that should be inclusive for our managers. And of course, it should leave a lasting impression. And believe me, I think this is one initiative, when we start rolling it out, it served all the purposes. It was inclusive, it was collaborative, it was quick, and a lot of fun.
Get people to be fit and bring them together. So that's why we went for it. This is unique and it's way beyond anything that we've done.
You guys are ensuring that people, across India and across the world, rather across the globe, remain fit, and it's a very good initiative.
When I came across Stepathlon, and I said it's the best deal, it goes hand in hand. You give the employees a benefit, at the same time you're giving them certain channels on how to go about it. So I felt it was most apt to do it that time.